Lawmakers are this evening expressing displeasure over an evasive practice in telecommunication providers and telemarketers. It involves marketing companies and other businesses sending advertisements about their products to a person's cellular phone. The matter was raised in a joint select committee sitting in Gordon House Wednesday. The committee was discussing the Data Protection Act. The lawmakers want any use of the customer's data, including their phone numbers, to be optional.
You are recommending to us that we allow telemarketing companies to take my information and push ads to me without consent, and then put the onus on me, the consumer, who are in many cases of varying abilities and competencies and capabilities to navigate these clauses, and if you wish to opt out, you need to call this number and wait 2 hours on the phone.
I'm actually in support of what Senator Morgan has said. I do believe you should give consumers the choice to determine whether they want to be bombarded with messages morning, noon, and night. What happens now is that without your knowledge or consent, and frankly, your numbers are shared with third parties right now, because any one of us who has a phone will get these pop-up advertisements from people who you have had no connection with or nothing to do with.